Hey, look what we have. It's the fidget spinner. These are the newest craze, and we've got them in stock. The majority of the colors will be available by the beginning of July. We here at the office think they're so much fun, and I want to share with you how our team is getting creative with them.
Hi Sherry, this is Sarah calling from Delta Marketing. I just wanted to let you know that your fidget spinner order has shipped out and is expected for delivery on Friday.
Fidget spinner with my lunch.
If you would like to see your logo on one of these fidget spinners, please email me at kathy@godelta.com. Thank you.